Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Ben with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a screen on an 860 SM-R860 Samsung watch. This is compatible, this repair will be compatible with a 860, 865, 870 or 875. So it's almost the same, basically the same way you would be taking it apart, you could put it back together the same way as well. So to do this repair, you will need a 0.6 screwdriver, a flathead, some kind of pry tool. We're using the Joe's pry tool, and you will need a spudger. Everything that you see here will be down in the description down below. So let's get started with this repair. First off, we want to start off by grabbing the 0.6 screwdriver, and we're going to start unscrewing these screws. Next, what we will be doing is we're going to grab some alcohol, put it on the pry tool, and then we're going to grab the heat gun just to get some heat on here, just so the adhesive kind of loosens up. You don't need too much, just a little. Perfect. And we're going to start prying from the power button side, right here. You're going to reach down like this, just going to pull up and go right around everywhere. They should pop right up, just like that. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the plastic spudger and just unclip this ribbon. There we have it. The back cover is off. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take out the motherboard. You could unscrew this with a plus 1.5 screwdriver, but what I would do is I would just disconnect the whole thing and just take the motherboard and battery out with the whole unit. So what we're going to do is disconnect the main ribbon, and then we're going to grab our flathead, and there's a spot right here that they put basically just to take out the motherboard right here. And then I usually go, you have to be very careful. I would go with a spudger, that's what I usually do, and you would just kind of lift this up very gently and grab our spudger, just lift it up just so we don't damage the screen. There we have it. The motherboard is out. Now we're just gonna grab our new screen. Make sure this ribbon is not in the way to put the motherboard in. Then we're just gonna align the motherboard and gently press down, and you should hear the click. That means it's in. Next, we're gonna grab the spudger and kind of line it up with the motherboard. Just clip it in just like this. The way you can tell if it's clipped in is the watch should turn on. As you see, it has turned on, so that means this connection point is connected good. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the back cover. We're just gonna clip it in right where it was before with the plastic spudger. There we have it. It is clipped in now, as you can see. Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to align the holes. We're just going to press down, and it should just click right into place. So we go right around, just to make sure everything's good. to be good. And then last part we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the screws, and then we're just gonna slide it right in. I'm just gonna screw it right back in. You should just be able to just screw it in hand tight, and it should be good. And we're gonna go into a horizontal pattern, so we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna start from here and go back down, just like that. And there we have it. The screen is on. Everything works. We're gonna see if the touch works right now. Always make sure, just in case. And if you're not comfortable in doing this type of repair yourself, you could always send it to us. We have great parts and we have great techs that can work on your watch and make sure that everything is working at the end. Everything that you see here again will be down in the description down below. As you can see, the screen is working as it should. We could just turn the watch off. Alright, sweet. The repair is finished. That is how you replace a 860, 865, 870, 875 screen on a unit like this. It should be exactly the same on those units, so you don't have to worry about any different ways to do it. It should be exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next, and make sure to like and subscribe to see more of this awesome content. Have a great rest of your day, guys.